Is your life too organized? Behold, the Roomba combo, vacuums, mops, cleans. It's less a cleaning device, more a tiny, rolling existential crisis. One reviewer laments, it's been more hassle than help. Hassle? Honey, that's avant-garde. You're curating a daily performance piece, and you didn't even know it. Another victim says, it bumps into everything, hard, very hard. It's even moved paint off some of my furniture. Moved paint? That's not damage. That's abstract expressionism, darling. So the Roomba's not cleaning, it's staging an intervention. It's not getting stuck, it's exploring the hidden corners of your soul. It's a goddamn method actor. Congratulations, Roomba combo, vacuums, mops, cleans. The best worst product for embracing domestic chaos. We're worst first deals and we're clearly insane. Subscribe or don't. We're too busy arguing with our Roomba.